So good day or good evening everyone. We are the group 4 and we are going to tackle about working capital management. By the way, my name is Precious Dana Umbukan Conde. So working capital management. It is the activities performed by a company to make sure it got enough resources for day-to-day operation expenses. So working capital is the difference between a company's current assets and current liabilities. So current assets, it includes cash, accounts receivable, and inventories. So when we say current asset, it is the assets that can be converted to cash within 1 year. So for example, sa Photoshop, so the assets that can convert it into cash there is your services or the so the current assets there is your services and the bond paper like diba pag magprint sila o mag-photocopy, so kuan siya it is the current asset because it can converted into cash within 1 year. So pwede mo siya magkakita ka everyday within 1 year. And ang machines and laptop dito, it is called the non-current assets kay dili mo siya di ka magkakita na everyday within 1 year kasi baligyan mo siya kay sara ka magkakita. And the next is the current liability. So current liability, it is the obligation or debt that are due within 1 year. So example is the account payable. So ang account payable, it is the money you owe to your suppliers, and the obligation is to pay the suppliers. So example for coffee shop. So diba need nimo og coffee beans or milk, so need nimo og supplier sa milk. So nakay obligation na bayaran sa ang imong supplier within a year. So that is the current liability. It is your obligation or your debt, mga kailangan nimo mga bayaron nimo, mga kailangan mo bayaran. So the difference between current assets and current liabilities is the current assets it is the assets that can be converted into cash within a year, and the current liability is the obligation or debt that you need to pay within a year. And the working capital management computation is you need to total all the current assets like cash, account receivable, and inventories. So in cash you have $20,000, and in account receivable you have $15,000, and inventories you have $45,000, so the total of $80,000. So that is your current assets, and the current liabilities is account payables of $25,000, and short-term borrowing $5,000, and accrued liabilities is $10,000, so the total of $40,000. And you're going to subtract the total current assets and current liabilities. So if you're going to subtract them, $80,000 minus $40,000 is equal to $40,000. So the the lower your current liabilities compared to your current assets, the healthier business in a short term. So there are 5 under working capital management. First is liquidity management, second account receivable management, third inventory management, fourth accounts payable management, and last is short-term debt management.
So, good evening everyone. So, my topic is liquidity management. So, ang liquidity management is mano siya ang naga-process or naga-insure sa kwarta or cash on hands para sa company. So, for example, kung naay mo abot na product niya wala kay kabayad, so na posibilidad na madawat imong company, and also dapat na kay kwarta kay pabot sa product nimo na kay kabayad. That's all. Thank you. So, ang account receivable management is naka-process of monitoring and controlling money customers to a business for goods or services purchased on credit.
Good day everyone. So my topic is inventory management. Inventory management is the way or process of storing products, selling or good or ordering. When we say inventory or stocks, it talks about goods and materials that a company or business holds for ultimate goal or resale. Also, it helps companies para ma-identify kung pila ang kailangan i-order at the same time kung kanus apud kailangan mag-order. That's all.
So let's continue our topic that given to me. So our topic is all about account payable management. Account payable are receipts from the trade credit granted by the company's suppliers, mostly as a part of a normal operations. The right balance between early payments and commercial debt should be achieved. So when you talk about account payable management is like, for example, ka-encounter mo ng panel distributor is which is naga-offer na sila o mga klase-klaseng product, and then na sila yung mga palugit kung kano sa nimo bayaran. For example, 1 to 3 months. So makaginjud kag sales ana para pangbayad nimo next balik nila. So dapat ma-manage jud nimo. And the last is all about short-term debt management. Like liquidity management, managing short-term financing should also focus on making sure that the company processes enough liquidity of finance short-term operation without taking or excessive risk. So when we talk about debt, mo na siya ang utang. Ang short term is dili siya pangmatagalan, which is dapat na-termino kano sa inyong bayaran. Like for example, nagapautang ko kwarta. So najud na sa termino kung kano sa inyong bayaran, and then dapat dali kay tungod kanang akong ginapautang is gina-rolling na which is kung dili na siya mabayaran dayon na possible nga malugi ka. And that's all. Thank you.